Today we have come here in Manipuri. It's called Manipur Kanba Khungchad. This is to save Manipur. We all of us here gathered here are totally in love with Manipur. We stand here to make sure that Manipur never breaks down. And I believe that Manipur is not just a land, it is a culture, it is a being of togetherness between the hill people and the valley people. We all need to live together, and this whole land, every square inch of it belongs to all of us. And we can never let it break away, come what may. So we are standing here. I have come here to give my full support to the core of my heart that Manipur stays intact forever and ever. Let peace come and let goodness prevail.
Sir, you as a representative of Manipur, what kind of demand do you ask to the central government
There is
to
no
end?
demand. Manipur cannot break. Simple as that. For that, I think eventually those who have been trying to break Manipur must be put to task, and there must be an NRC, there must be peace. And NRC, when performed, must be performed with utmost sincerity. NRC, I think in Assam did not work out, because even if the policies are very good, if people who are doing that work they are not sincere, then naturally things will not work. We must be very, very sincere, and whatever the cut-off date given by the government of India and government of Manipur should be followed, and people must have their papers together. And I think that NRC must be carried out with complete sincerity and no scope for any kind of bribery or anything like that. Because in the past, as I've heard, that a lot of these documents like the Aadhaar and voter list and all have been forged, faked. And after all, I'm sure in that, all of us are, I'm not talking me, but people of Manipur have, I think, not been very sincere in giving that. So we better be careful. And this is what I say. Sincerity is the key, and we must be determined to save Manipur, come what may.
So what would be your stand regarding the present turmoil in Manipur? Because many of the ministers and MLAs haven't spoke their stand.
See, actually what happened is, even I was speaking. I spoke in the sense that, it sounded like I spoke for only Meitei community as such. I was trying to tell the story of Manipur. But eventually what happens is that I think there has been flaws in the administration. So if I am to sit as one of the representatives of the government, and if I'm asked that so many guns were taken away, this, that, so, you're not in a position to really answer, because I think this has taken too long, and there must have been peace talks, there must have been talks between the government at various levels. This hasn't happened. I think the right person to answer this is the Chief Minister and the Cabinet. I am an independent MLA. I just support Manipur from the core of my heart. And I am probably on my own, like any one of us, just to support Manipur out of love for Manipur.
Thank you.